Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The song Rise and Shine, Alzati Rise Shine, is presented on August 16, the day of Don Bosco's 206th birthday. Composed by Father Gildatio Mendes, General Counsel of Social Communication, it is a song about Don Bosco who works with young people towards the future with hope and joy. Rise and Shine is part of a double CD released a few years ago in Brazil, financed by the RSB Red Salesiana Brazil with the direction of Father Gildatio Mendes and with the arrangement of Maestro Antonio Curran. The recording of the song was made at the Pauline Studio in the Brazilian city of Sao Paulo. The young singers that we can hear in the video are part of the musical group Cantores de Deus. Two days ago, a violent earthquake of magnitude 7.2 on the Richter scale struck Haiti, causing almost 1,300 deaths and thousands injured and missing. Hospitals have welcomed over 5,700 patients and are now almost completely saturated. A very serious event which sadly recalled the disaster of 2010 when Haiti was devastated by another devastating earthquake that generated 200,000 victims and thousands of displaced people. The worst damage of this new earthquake was recorded in the south of the country, from where the first news about the Salesians who live and work in this area comes. In none of the Salesian works have there been injuries, and all the buildings except for small collapses of the surrounding walls are safe. Only one institution belonging to the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians has suffered substantial damage, in particular in the classrooms and auditorium, but even in this case there are no victims or injuries. The meeting of European Salesian pre-novices at College Don Bosco, which began August 1st, ends on August 16. 27 pre-services from all over Europe were agreed for the occasion, in particular from the Italian provinces Spain, Portugal, Germany, Slovenia, Slovakia, Croatia, Malta and Poland. The meeting took place in the manner of pilgrimage to the Salesian Holy Land in search of the vacation of St. John Bosco. The pre-novices were therefore in Cairi, Baldoco and of course at the Becky. On August 15th, on the day of the solemnity of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, the Salesians Antonio Guterres, Celestino da Costa and Victor da Cunha were ordained deacons by Monsignor Viligrio do Carmo da Silva at the parish of Mary Help of Christians in Delhi. The diploma of the first generation of students of the Don Bosco Industrial Technical College of Calama was celebrated with an exciting ceremony held last Friday, July 30th. This important event was attended by the entire Salesian pastoral educational community as well as regional authorities and business representatives. The celebration was characterized by the emotion of the students, their parents or guardians and the teachers who accompanied the young people in their technical and professional training process. On 13 to 15 August at the parish of Christ the King of Tetere, 25 kilometers from the capital of Honoria, the commitment of 65 new members of ADMA was made public. The rector and parish priest of the parish of Christ the King, Father Robinson Parapilli, received the promises. Thus was born the first ADMA group in the Solomon Islands. At the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Quito, August 7, Monsignor Alfredo Episnoza Matissis SDB ordained deacons to Salesians Luis Angel Banegas and David de la Cruz. Also present at the celebration were Father Francisco Sanchez, Superior of the Salesian province of Ecuador, and his vicar, Father Angel Lazo. For the pastoral groups of the parish of Portechuelo, a month full of activities has recently ended. In July, in fact, the parishioners put into practice the request of Pope Francis to go out of ourselves and to go to the suburbs. The young people of the parish visited the houses of the neighborhood, praying with the families and entertaining with them with moments of games and song. They also conducted a survey to find out if the members of these families had received all the sacraments of Christian initiation. The activities ended with the Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Teofilo Estrada. Just 1 month after the Congress of Past Pupils of Don Bosco of Asia and Oceania, an innovative online meeting was held in recent weeks for the formation of the delegates of the past pupils. The 22 participants spent 2 hours discussing their experiences and what emerged during the Congress. The meeting was also attended by Father Joseph Fuke, SDB, Council of the Asia East Oceania region, whose contribution was a great inspiration for all those present. On Don Bosco's birthday, the young people of the parish San Benito de Palermo in San Benito celebrated the saint of youth in an innovative way. For the first time, a caravan with the statue of Don Bosco was brought to the streets of San Benito. The procession reached the chapel of St. Vincent de Paul in the Itza colony. A different celebration this year, which was organized always trusting in merry help of Christians. From 31st July to 14th August, a group of about 60 young people walked the path of 30th Salesian pilgrimage of evangelization to Jasna Gora. During the journey, the young people were accompanied by 8 Salesians and 4 Salesian sisters. As per tradition, the pilgrimage ended with a prayer vigil in the Basilica of Jasna Gora, prepared by the young people and with the midnight mass. Father Gabriel Romero, Councillor for the America Cone South region, on behalf of the Rector Major, is leading the visit to the Salesian province of Belo Horizonte. Last August 3rd, the curatorium of the Salesian Novitiate of Barbacena took place. Subsequently, from 12th to 15th August, the councillor met the conference of the community of Blessed Michel Rua. Here, he was able to celebrate and live the daily life of the community, meet the provincial council and the lay collaborators. Also, on 15th August, he presided at the Eucharist on the occasion of the Solemnity of the Assumption. The visit will end on November 25th. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.